Welcome back. Bitcoin optimism is back. The cryptocurrency reaching over $8,000, a token for the first time since May. Ripple chief market strategist Cory Johnson joins us now to talk more about that. Cory, it's great to see you.
Good to see you, too.
Thank you so much for joining us. What do you make of this recent move higher on Bitcoin? And tell us how you see the overall market, because you're really much more bullish on XRP as opposed to Bitcoin.
Well, I think for us, Ripple's based some of our software solutions on XRP because we think it's a better technology. We look at XRP as sort of blockchain 2.0. The Bitcoin is a fascinating idea, but it's really sort of breaking down in terms of its ability to use it. Closing transactions is really slow. We're looking at a business problem, and the business problem is moving money across borders. It is crazy that today I can send a text message to a friend in Rome with emojis and a GIF of Neymar falling down and clever stuff, and I can send an Excel spreadsheet by email to South Africa in 3 seconds. But if I want to move money from New York to Mexico City, it takes 5 days and costs over 500 basis points.
Wow.
That's crazy in this era of technology. So Ripple's created a bunch of software products to really accelerate that process, to move money in less than a minute and for just basis points, but using XRP as a basis technology for some of those software solutions. And we can move it so much cheaper and so much more efficiently using XRP. We think that XRP will have great value over time.
What about consumers? MasterCard just applied for a patent to be able to use cryptocurrencies on credit cards. Is that the future of currencies?
I mean, we are 100% focused on business. I mean, I think that there will be lots of better ways for money to move. But again, when you're talking about moving money, Bitcoin's slow. Ether is slow. XRP moves really, really fast just because the way the technology is a little bit different. I don't want to get into the technological details, but fundamentally, money should move as fast as ideas move, as fast as data moves, and right now it doesn't, and it's really expensive. The place that money hurts, the slow moving money really hurts people, is moving money across borders. If you are working and your family's in another country, if you're vacationing in another country, if you're a business and you want to buy a product in another country to sell it where you are, it takes so long to move money and costs so much money. Imagine if your business is saddled with 500 basis points, 600. The World Bank says it's a 532 basis point cost to move money across borders for anyone. That's a horrible drag in business. We're trying to fix that.
What about the regulatory hurdles and headwind country by country in terms of, are they rising? Because again, we talk about no borders in terms of virtual currencies, but there are borders, and regulators love to make sure that even in the digital world that those borders exist.
Look, one person's regulation is another person's protection. I believe it's really important for investors to be protected. We've seen what happens when there aren't investor protections. We've seen investors lose so much money, and we've seen it in the world of crypto. We've seen some real bad actors involved. So we're thrilled that regulators are getting involved. It's really interesting. It's not what I expected when I joined this company, say, 6 months ago, and we're very much engaged in conversations with regulators. But I'll say that a lot of other countries are moving faster than the U.S. to try to provide really clear lanes of where business can act, what's right and what's wrong.
Like China.
Well, China's a really peculiar case. Most of the Bitcoin mining, most of the Ether mining is all taking place in places where power is cheap, which is China, and where they've got the access to the best computer chips, which is China. And so most Bitcoin is mined in China. Most Ether is mined in China. XRP isn't being mined. It was pre-mined, if you will. So as a result, it uses virtually no power compared to these other things. Running a node in the network is so much cheaper as a result. And there isn't any mining cost with that. So it's a different kind of technology as a result. But countries like Singapore, countries like Switzerland, countries like Thailand are working really hard to make sure the businesses develop there around blockchain. The U.S. has started to do some things. The SEC has started to try to figure some things out. But other countries aren't waiting, and the entrepreneurs aren't waiting to start businesses.
Really exciting opportunity. Cory, thanks so much for joining us.
So good to see you.
You too. Great to have you. Cory Johnson.
We've known you a lot of years, Cory Johnson.
We're not that old. Come on.
No, we're not.
And you're still innovating.
Go figure.
Cory Johnson.